Breakfast time for Degus. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, she found the alfalfa. Tony, by the way, is just chowing down over there. I think she likes that they like the alfalfa better.
Oh no. Maybe it's something new to get excited about.
I hope she sticks her head in the toilet paper tube. That's always funny. I guess I'll have to wait for it. She's still busy eating.
If you get it from this angle, you can see how she holds the food with her hand.
Yeah. Just going for it. Oh, there's too much sticking out. We should have put it further in. There's Tony and his little pinky. Yeah, I think she's just pulled it all out of the thing.